Good morning, Kylie here with the Funnel Flippers. We're officially coming off of Level Up 2025, which means we have 1,000,005 different updates to go over. The first I kind of want to touch on, you might see something a little bit different here. We officially have a brand new desktop app for HighLevel. So, in order to get the desktop app, you do have to request it. If you just kind of search for download and install HighLevel's desktop app, this is a support article. And then there's a link. You can go ahead and request the link, and they'll send you an email to actually privately download the app into your desktop. That means you don't have to access their web browser anymore. We officially have everything right here just living in desktop, and you can, switch between all your sub accounts, things like that internally, again, without having to use your browser. Now, part two of this is okay, my sub account looks the same. How do I actually get in and access all of these new updates? So, what you want to do is head to your agency settings and then head to labs down here on the left hand side. You're going to see you have a couple agency updates. You can enable all of those. And then what you want to do is come into sub account and you'll be able to see all of these different updates. So you can see, obviously, I've updated the majority of them, but they just continue kind of rolling out. So for those that I don't have updated, I can go in here to activate feature, click my sub accounts, and then go ahead and set those to live mode, which will ensure that I can actually see all of the new updates and have them inside of the account we're actually working with. So next video, I'm going to actually dive into a bunch of the different updates and we'll show you how they work and what they do.